Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning, Standard TYBCom, Subject Computer Education. Students, today we are going to learn how to create company in Tally. So let's start. Tally is very user-friendly package. If you are using Tally, first of all you have to create a company. To create company, select Create Company from Company Info. Company creation window appears. In that window, add the details of company. Accept and click Yes. And your company is created. Let's see some important shortcuts relating to company in Tally. To select company, press F1. Shut company, press Alt F1. To change the date in Tally, press F2. To change the company period, press Alt F2. To open a particular company, press F3. To open a company info, press Alt F3. To change company features, press F11. To change company configuration, press the function key F12. Now let's see practically how to create company. Now to create company, go to Create Company option. Select this option and give the name of the company. Then give the mailing name, give the address, then for state, press M, and here right hand side you see various options. Select the Maharashtra, press enter. Now for pin code, give the pin code, then give the email address, then you can give income tax number, after that currency symbol, let it be rupees. Then in maintain, give accounts with inventory only when you are managing stock, otherwise give accounts only. Press enter. Now for financial year, it always starts from 1st April, so we have to change the date. So we change the year. Then books also begins from 1st April or a date after financial year starts. Then you can give the password if you want. Next, press enter. Now you can leave this information as it is, like base currency symbol, rupees, formal name Indian rupees, number of decimal places, and so on. You can accept and press enter. Now our company has been created. Press Alt F3. Go to company info. Now go to alter to see that company, what are the details of the company. Now I can see here same details whatever I have entered. So in this way we can create company in Tally. Let's summarize this. In Tally, we can create, alter and delete any company. For going to company info menu from gateway of Tally, we have to press Alt F3. We can use various shortcut keys in Tally to ease our operation. Now you can solve this practical assignment. Students, now you can create company in Tally. Learn this properly. Thank you.